find the value of tan of 1 by 2 sine inverse 3 by 4. This is our first question. Step 1. Let sine inverse 3 by 4 is equal to theta and put here. It becomes theta by 2. Now put the formula of tan theta by 2. First year formula, root over 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos of, now put the value of theta, sine inverse 3 by 4 divided by 1 plus cos of sine inverse 3 by 4. And we know that cos inverse theta equal theta, type 1 formula, but here sine inverse. First we have to convert sine inverse 3 by 4 into cos inverse and value and we have to find this value. How to find this value? Sine inverse 3 by 4 equal theta. 3 by 4 equal to sine theta. It is based on a right angle triangle. It is perpendicular. It is hypotenuse. And what the base? Root over 4 square minus 3 square. This is equal to 4 square is 16 minus 9. Sorry, 16 minus 9. Root over 7. And cos theta equal to base divided by perpendicular. Root 7 by 4. And theta equal to cos inverse root 7 by 4. That is, here we have to write root 7 by 4 because this is theta equal to sine inverse 3 by 4 and here theta equal to cos inverse root 7 by 4, and that means sine inverse 3 by 4 is equal to cos inverse root 7 by 4. And we can put here root over 1 minus cos of cos inverse root 7 by 4 and 1 plus cos of cos inverse root 7 by 4. Now we can cancel cos and cos inverse, that is root 7 by 4, and here also root 7 by 4. Now simplify it. Find LCM. 4 minus root 7 by 4 and here also 4 plus root 7 by 4. 4 cancel, we'll get 4 plus root 7 4 minus root 7 divided by 4 plus root 7. This is the answer. Or you can also simplify it. Similarly, same type of question, but here is cos of 1 by 2 sine inverse 3 by 5 and sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse 3 by 5. You can try it and I will give you half angle formula. Cos theta by 2 is equal to root over 1 plus cos theta by 2 and sin theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2. This formula is applicable here and this formula will apply here. This is your homework. Second example, it's another type question. Prove that tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. Taking left hand side, it contains tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 divided by 24. We have to apply the formula of type 6. Type 6. Type 6 means tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This is the type 6. tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy if x into y is less than 1. If it is greater than 1, we have to apply this formula. And here, this is our x, 2 by 11 into this is our y. X into y is less than 1. And hence we can apply the formula. That is tan inverse. This is our x term. This is our y term. X plus y, 2 plus 11 by 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus x into y, 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Now simplify it. Tan inverse 48 plus 77 divided by 264 whole divided by, here also 264 minus 14 divided by 264. 264 cancel and you will get tan inverse 125 divided by 250, and this is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. This is our next example. Taking left hand side, it contains 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. If you want to apply type 6 formula, then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. But here a number is 2 is here, so we cannot apply type 6. If you want to apply type 6, then we have to write tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Then we can apply type 6 formula, tan inverse x plus 1 inverse y plus tan inverse z. Or otherwise we can apply type 7. Type 7 formula, this is type 7. We have to convert 2 tan inverse x in terms of tan inverse, or we can convert sin inverse, and we can convert cos inverse. And here the second term is 10, so we have to convert into tan inverse. If you convert to sin inverse, then we don't have any formula to add sin inverse x plus tan inverse y. We don't have any formula to add these two terms. Either two terms are same, then we can apply this formula sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, or tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we have to convert to tan inverse in terms of 10. And we know the formula 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. This is the formula. And here tan inverse, this is our x term, 2 times x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now simplify it. We will get 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now sin inverse x plus tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Now simplify it. This is the answer, tan inverse 31 by 17. Now we have to convert this 10 into sin inverse. Let tan inverse 31 by 17 equal theta. Tan theta equal to 31 by 17. Now make a right angle triangle. This is perpendicular. This is base. Find its hypotenuse. 31 square plus 17 square is equal to 25 root 2. Now sin theta equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, and theta equal to sin inverse 31 by 25 root 2. This is the answer. Question number 3. Taking left hand side, 2 sin inverse 3 by 5 minus tan inverse 17 by 31. We have to add these two terms or separate here we have to separate these two terms. This function is sin, this function is tan. Subtraction is not possible. Either we have to convert this function into tan, otherwise we have to convert this function into sin. First we'll convert this function into tan. This is our perpendicular, this is our hypotenuse. Then what is the base? Base is 4. This is our rough. 2 tan inverse, you have to write perpendicular 3, then we have to write base is 4, that is tan inverse 3 by 4. This is a shortcut method. Now again we have to convert 2 tan inverse into tan inverse using this formula, type 7. Tan inverse 2 times x by 1 minus x square. Now simplify it, then we can apply tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula, and we can do it. This is our next question. Cot inverse 1 plus cot inverse 1 by 2 plus cot inverse 1 by 3 equal to pi. First make it 10. Taking left hand side, because we have formula to add tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Make it 10, that is tan inverse 1, this is tan inverse 2, this is tan inverse 3. We have to use this formula, cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Type 3 formula. Now add these two terms using type 6. Tan inverse x, this is our x, this is our y, and in this case x into y, 6, is greater than 1. That means we have to apply second formula. Formula is pi plus tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y, and simplify it. This is tan inverse 1, this is pi plus tan inverse 5 divided by 1 minus 6, 5 by minus 5. Tan inverse 1 plus pi minus pi plus tan inverse minus 1. Now taking these two terms, again put the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. If you apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, you will get 0, and the rest term is pi. Answer is pi. We have to apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula using these two terms. Next question. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse equal to pi by 2, then find the value of this term. This is our given. Simply apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z formula. Tan inverse x plus y plus z minus xyz divided by 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx equal to pi by 2. Take this function into right hand side. This is equal to 10 pi by 2, and 10 pi by 2 is undefined or 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means denominator part is 0, and this term containing denominator part is this much. That means x plus y plus z minus xyz by 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx equal to 1 by 0. That means this term is equal to 0. 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx equal to 0. Hence xy plus yz plus zx equal to 1. Similarly, next question, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equal to pi. Then prove that x plus y plus z equal to xyz. Same procedure like this, but here is only pi. Tan pi equal to 0. Then cross multiply and you will get this much. Similarly, from your APC book, try question number 34 to 40. If you have any doubt, then text me or give me a screenshot. Next question, if sec inverse x equal to cosec inverse y, then prove that 1 by x square plus 1 by y square equal to 1. First, let sec inverse x equal to cosec inverse y equal to theta. From taking first and third, we will get x equal to sec theta and cos theta equal to 1 by x. From second and third, we will get cosec theta equal to y and sin theta equal to 1 by y. And we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now put the value of sin. What is the value of sin? 1 by y square. And what is the value of cos? 1 by x is equal to 1. Hence proved. Next question. If cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to theta, then show that x square minus 2xy times cos theta plus y square equal to sin square theta. This is another type question. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to theta. Simply apply cos inverse x plus cos inverse y formula. Type 10. Cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus x square into root over 1 minus y square. Take the function into right hand side. Xy minus root over 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square equal to cos theta. Now, the proof part contains square terms. That means we have to square this equation, squaring both sides. And the cos theta is with xy term. This cos theta is with xy term. That means we have to make these two terms together. Then we will get this result. Otherwise we will not get this result. This is our logic of this question. This is the logic term. Make it together. Xy minus cos theta. And this term take it right hand side. Now squaring both sides. A minus b whole square. After squaring we will get x square y square plus cos theta minus 2xy cos theta. A minus b whole square. And here 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. Multiply these two terms, we will get this much. X square y square cancel with each other. Now take this two term into left hand side and take this term into right hand side. Minus x square become plus x square, minus y square become plus y square. X square plus y square minus 2xy cos theta is equal to, take this term into right hand side, 1 minus cos theta, and 1 minus cos theta equal to sin theta. Hence it is. Next, same type of question with same logic. This is your homework. This is question number 46, exam number 46 from your APC book. Find the simplest value of this function 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square and minus 4 cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. And we know that this is equal to 2 tan inverse x. We can simply put the formula. Otherwise, we can do one thing. Put x equal to tan theta. And here also you can put x equal to tan theta. Or you can separately put x equal to tan theta and put x equal to anything. But here put x equal to tan theta in both the terms. And first doubt, why? Why we will put x equal to tan theta? Why not cos theta? Why not sec theta? First put, then we will get the result. And also as well as our answer. If you put x equal to tan theta, this is the formula of sine 2 theta. That's why we have to put x equal to tan theta. Sine inverse sine 2 theta, and 4 cos inverse, the formula of cos 2 theta, first year trigonometry formula. This 2 term will be cancelled. It contains only 2 theta minus 4 times 2 theta, 6 theta minus 8 theta minus 2 theta, and minus 2 times, what is the value of theta from here? Take the tan into left hand side. Tan inverse x. This is the chart. We have to remember, if the term is 1 x square, we have to put x equal sin theta or cos theta. And here 2x by 1 plus x square. This is the second page. 2x by 1 x square, we have to put x equal to tan theta. We have to remember all these formulas and also these formulas. You can pause here and write all the formulas. This is the important trigonometry formula we will use in this chapter.